What if I told you that luxury doesn't have to cost a fortune? Picture this: a stunning white cottage barndominium with clean lines, charming wood accents, a wraparound porch, and modern interiors, all for under $100,000. Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to build your dream white cottage barndominium without breaking the bank. And I'll reveal a company that can make this happen at surprisingly affordable prices. But first, if you're serious about building your dream home on a budget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Before we dive in, I want to give a huge shout out to two amazing channel supporters, Stephanie Paget and PT565XLO. Thank you both for supporting this channel. Your support helps us bring you honest, valuable content like this. Now, let's get into how you can build your luxury white cottage barndominium for under $100K. What is a white cottage barndominium? Let's start with what makes this style so special. A white cottage barndominium combines the timeless elegance of cottage architecture with the practical, cost-effective construction of a barndominium. Think crisp, white exteriors, warm wood accents, charming details, and that cozy cottage feel, but with the durability and affordability of metal construction. The white exterior isn't just beautiful, it's practical. White reflects heat better than darker colors, which helps keep your energy bills lower in hot climates. It naturally hides dust and pollen better than you'd think, making it perfect for rural properties. And let's be honest, there's something timelessly elegant about a white home that photographs beautifully and never goes out of style. When you pair white siding with a black roof, dark trim, natural wood accents, and cottage-style details like board and batten siding or covered porches, you create a look that's both modern and classic. It's farmhouse chic meets contemporary design, and it works in any setting from wide-open farmland to wooded properties. The reality of building under $100K. Let me be completely honest with you. Building a luxury white cottage barndominium for under $100,000 is absolutely possible, but you need realistic expectations about size and approach. You're not getting a 3,000 square foot mansion. What you are getting is a beautifully designed, highly functional, perfectly livable home between 800 and 1,200 square feet. Current construction costs for barndominiums range from $70 to $160 per square foot, depending on location, materials, and finishes. To hit that under $100K target, you're looking at approximately $90 to $100 per square foot for a finished home. This means a 1,000 square foot barndominium is achievable with smart planning and the right approach. The key to staying under budget is focusing on three things: choosing an efficient floor plan with minimal hallway space and maximum open concept living, selecting a reputable kit supplier that offers competitive pricing, and doing some of the work yourself where possible while hiring professionals for technical systems. Size and layout options under $100K. So what can you actually fit in 800 to 1,200 square feet? More than you think. A well-designed small barndominium maximizes every inch of space through smart layout choices. For 800 to 900 square feet, you can comfortably fit 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, an open kitchen and living area, and a small laundry area. This works perfectly for couples, retirees downsizing, or anyone embracing minimalist living. At 1,000 to 1,200 square feet, you gain space for 2 to 3 bedrooms, 1 to 2 bathrooms, an open kitchen, dining and living area, and storage or utility space. This size comfortably houses small families or provides space for a home office. The beauty of barndominium design is the open floor plan. Without load-bearing interior walls, you create a spacious feel even in smaller square footage. Vaulted ceilings, large windows, and strategic design make 1,000 square feet feel much larger than a traditional house of the same size. Cost breakdown. The real numbers. Let me give you honest numbers for building a white cottage barndominium under $100K. I'll break down a realistic 1,000 square foot build. The barndominium kit, including metal frame, exterior metal siding in white, roofing, windows, doors, and fasteners runs $20,000 to $35,000. That's roughly $20 to $35 per square foot for the basic structure. Foundation cost for a concrete slab at $6 to $10 per square foot equals $6,000 to $10,000 for 1,000 square feet. Site preparation, including land clearing, grading, and utility connections runs $5,000 to $15,000 depending on your property condition. Interior finishing is where costs add up. For budget to mid-range finishes including insulation at $1.50 to $3.00 per square foot, drywall installation, flooring, kitchen cabinets and appliances, bathroom fixtures, electrical and plumbing, HVAC system, interior doors and trim, and paint, you're looking at $40,000 to $50,000 total for basic but quality finishes. Additional costs include permits and fees at $500 to $2,000, and a contingency fund of $3,000 to $5,000 for unexpected expenses. Total estimated cost breakdown: kit at $27,500, foundation at $8,000, site prep at $10,000, interior finishing at $45,000, permits at $1,500, contingency at $3,000. Grand total: $95,000 for a beautiful 1,000 square foot white cottage barndominium. The white cottage aesthetic. Let's talk about what makes the white cottage barndominium style so stunning. The exterior features crisp white metal siding, a black or dark gray metal roof, creating beautiful contrast, warm wood accents around the entrance, windows, or porch posts, board and batten siding details for cottage charm, and a covered front porch or wraparound porch for outdoor living. Inside, the cottage aesthetic continues with white or light-colored walls, creating an airy, bright feel, natural wood or luxury vinyl plank flooring, exposed beams or vaulted ceilings adding character, open concept layout maximizing space, and modern yet cozy finishes throughout. The combination of industrial barndominium construction with cottage design details creates something truly special. You get the durability and low maintenance of metal construction wrapped in the timeless charm of cottage architecture. Smart ways to stay under budget. To successfully build under $100K, you need to be strategic. Here's what actually works. Choose simple rectangular designs rather than complex shapes. Every angle, corner, and design complexity adds cost. A simple rectangle is the most affordable and efficient shape. Stick with standard window and door sizes. Custom sizes cost significantly more. Use standard dimensions to save thousands. Do your own interior painting. Install your own flooring if you have basic skills. Handle landscaping yourself. And complete finished carpentry like trim installation. These tasks don't require licensed professionals and can save $8,000 to $15,000 in labor costs. Source materials smartly by shopping sales during major holidays. Considering gently used appliances from Habitat for Humanity Restore or similar outlets. Buying lighting fixtures and hardware online instead of retail. And looking for overstock or discontinued items that are perfectly good but discounted. The company that can help. Now, as I promised, let me tell you about BuildMax, a company specializing in affordable barndominium kits and floor plans. BuildMax offers stock barndominium floor plans starting at less than $1 per square foot for the plans themselves. Steel frame kits at competitive pricing with nationwide delivery. Custom design services to create your perfect layout, and a builder locator service to connect you with experienced contractors. They've helped over 2,000 families build barndominiums since 2003 and understand how to maximize value while keeping costs down. Visit buildmax.com or call them to explore options specifically designed for budget-conscious builders. Why choose a white cottage barndominium? Beyond the obvious beauty and affordability, there are compelling reasons to choose this style. Construction speed is remarkable, with the shell going up in days and total build time of 3 to 6 months instead of 8 to 12 months for traditional construction. Low maintenance means you'll never paint the exterior, replace rotted siding, or treat for termites. Metal construction is virtually maintenance-free, saving thousands over the home's lifetime. Energy efficiency, when properly insulated with spray foam, creates an incredibly tight thermal envelope. Lower heating and cooling costs save money every single month. Durability is exceptional, as these structures withstand extreme weather including high winds, heavy snow, and severe storms. They last 50 to 100 plus years with minimal upkeep. Flexibility is built in, as you can easily modify the interior layout later since there are no load-bearing interior walls. Your home adapts as your needs change. Realistic expectations and honest advice. I want to be completely transparent with you. Building under $100K requires compromises. You won't get granite countertops everywhere, custom cabinetry throughout, or high-end appliances in every room. What you will get is a solid, beautiful, comfortable home that's yours, and that costs a fraction of traditional construction. The 100K budget works best if you already own land that's cleared and ready to build, have some DIY skills and time to contribute labor, are building in an area with reasonable permitting costs and labor rates, choose simple designs and standard materials, and are willing to upgrade finishes later as budget allows. If you're starting from zero with raw land, add $15,000 to $40,000 for land development, including well, septic, electric connection, and driveway. Success at this price point requires careful planning, realistic expectations, willingness to do some work yourself, patience and flexibility, and working with experienced builders who understand budget construction. Who is this perfect for? The white cottage barndominium under 100K is ideal for first-time homebuyers wanting to avoid massive debt, retirees downsizing who want something beautiful but manageable, minimalists who prefer quality over quantity, DIY enthusiasts willing to put in sweat equity, people building vacation or weekend homes, or anyone tired of paying rent who wants to own their home outright or with minimal mortgage. This isn't for people who need 4+ bedrooms and multiple living areas, want luxury finishes throughout without compromise, aren't willing to do any DIY work, or live in extremely high-cost areas where even basic construction exceeds budget. Building a luxury white cottage barndominium for under $100,000 is absolutely achievable with smart planning, realistic expectations, and the right approach. You're not just building a house, you're creating a beautiful, durable, low-maintenance home that you can actually afford. The white cottage aesthetic gives you timeless elegance that photographs beautifully and never goes out of style. The barndominium construction gives you speed, affordability, and durability that traditional building can't match. The combination is genuinely special. If this dream speaks to you, start by getting your land ready, researching local building codes and permit costs, getting quotes from kit suppliers like BuildMax, creating a detailed budget with contingency, deciding which tasks you'll DIY versus hiring out, and connecting with builders experienced in barndominium construction. Remember, stick with me till the very end because your support means everything. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest content about affordable housing solutions, and drop a comment telling me, would you build a white cottage barndominium? What size would you choose? And share this with anyone dreaming of affordable homeownership. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we explore more budget-friendly building options.